Okay, John, today's the big day. Nellie's coming home. We're just about ready to leave. Let's do a walk around and take a look at this beautiful 7 Chevelle. This car had a terrible accident back in August at the Adirondack Nationals. Took a good hit. Ended up with a lot of reconstruction. Ended up taking the body off the chassis, putting an entire new floor section in, floor pan in with all the braces and inner rockers, and to make the car strong and square again. And then new rockers on this side, door and fenders on the front, new hood. We had it down. John wanted a Super Sport dash, so we put an entire new Super Sport dashboard in, completely rewired the car, the dash, under the hood, new carpets. Unfortunately, the accident was unfortunate for the car, but the best thing that could have happened to it. We really got a chance to go through the whole car, clean it up, repaint it. Everything works. It's going to drive better than it did before. It really turned out nice. Look at that, John. Your car's brand new.
Give it a little gap.
All right, today's a big day and Nellie's going home. Let's get packed up and get moving.